EdDoesTech, EdDoesTech, EdDoesTechEd.
Hi guys, welcome back to another EdDoesTechEd, where we're going to be doing an unboxing on the Letsfit smartwatch, the IW1 model. This is going to be a bit different from the one we saw before, or the IDT05 and the L variation. I actually picked up the watch on Amazon for about $33.99. It had a coupon attached to it for $6 off, or I think it's a percentage off actually. It's usually hovering around $39.99. They come in different colors. The black is also nice. As you can see here, they're usually around the same price. They have promotions available all the time. This is pretty much like a little snapshot of all the features it does. This is the difference between the one we had before, kind of like the ID205Ls, versus how it looks now with the increased size and screens. Also, there's a different app now. Instead of using the VeryFit Pro, which we will never mention again, is actually using their own proprietary Letsfit app, which is much better. And it also has these other cool features we can go into in the actual app setup video I'll be posting later on. This is on their actual website now. Letsfit actually has their own way to shop there. You can click add to cart and just sign up for an account for them instead of going through Amazon. So I thought that was really cool. So they have their actual own funnel they can be going through instead of going through Amazon. Just go to the website and you can click on hover over these things here, and they'll be able to tell you a lot more. The smart notification thing is really cool. Music controls gotten a lot better, to be honest. Alarms and the stopwatch has as well. You don't have to stay on the stopwatch for it to keep running. You can actually exit out and do your thing. And here are the specifications if you guys are looking for that. 250 milliamp battery, 5 to 7 days of battery life, 30 days standby, IP68 resistance, water resistance, guys, not waterproof. So don't be going in the saunas, and don't be going into the pools for extended amounts of time. All right, so taking these papers out, the first thing you're going to see is how to measure your oxygen, or your blood oxygen measurement. For this new model, it actually comes with a new sensor to measure your SpO2. So it's going to actually be showing you how well your body is absorbing oxygen throughout the day and night. So this is going to help a bit more for your sleep disorders. Just make sure you're getting enough oxygen while you're sleeping, and also just throughout the day to make sure you have that type of circulation. Next is going to be a quick start guide. I won't be going too in depth because I'm going to have a app setup as well as a manual review video coming up pretty soon. But you're going to see how to connect this thing up for charging, ways you can do so, how to pair it up for iOS and Android, as well as the controls. There's one button, and there's also some swipe gestures that are pretty intuitive. There's some function buttons there. You'll read those, and also how to connect and use the GPS. At the very end, you're going to be shown how to wear the watch and how securely to wear it, as well as an important safety guide. Remember, these things are not waterproof, they're water resistant. All right, now I'm going to take out this cable just so I can have it ready. It's magnetic tip with USB type A, and they have a brand guide here to tell you who they are and what they believe in. And they have a lot of actual accessories and apparel you can actually buy from them. You can buy scales, you can buy earphones, of course watches, you can buy clothing as well. So that's really cool, and it also comes with a 1-year extended free warranty once you sign up and register with them. This is everything that comes in a box. All right, let's lay out this 2-foot cable that's proprietary to this exact model. It feels great, like it's of course it's it's that same TPL type of device, but the back looks different. It's all matte, type of glossy there. The sensor looks different. The actual watch itself is of course thick. Leave a like if you guys can. Just remember that. It has that rose gold feel as well. It looks good. It looks luxury, to be honest. Again, a bit thicker than the other ones, I believe. It has one button on the side, and then the sensors on the back. Even these little prongs for the bands are a bit larger. So in order to turn this thing on, we have to actually put it on a charger first. That's my OnePlus charger. I hate taking these things off, but I'll take it off just for this video. And I wanted to show you guys there's a right and wrong way to put these things on. It won't snap in either way. So as you can see here, it's repelling it, because if you guys learn anything about negative and positive poles, they repel each other. So if you got it right, it will snap right in, as you saw there. And then once you get it activated, turned on, you can take off the charger. Right now, the only two languages is English and Deutsch. I wanted to look at kind of how glossy it looked. Of course, in order to use this actual watch, you have to connect the app, unfortunately. So no real progress there, but you can also get this QR code and scan it on your phone, or you can do what I did and I just typed it in manually. This works for iOS as well as Android, guys, but if you guys want to see the app set up, you can watch it in my next video coming up, and as well as a manual review. Thank you guys for watching EdDoesTechEd. Have a great rest of your day. Oh, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Appreciate it. Helps a lot. Thanks for watching.
EdDoesTechEd.